Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive using your computer or phone. I have divided this video into 5 parts so you can understand everything easily. So whether you're new to Google Drive or just want to learn the sharing options properly, this full guide covers everything step by step. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get started. First, a quick intro. Google Drive is a free cloud storage service by Google, where you can upload your photos, videos, documents, and any other files, and access them anytime from any device as long as you're signed in with your Google account. To open Google Drive, just go to your browser and search for Google Drive. If you're on mobile, you can install the Google Drive app from the Play Store or App Store. Open first Google Drive website. Once you sign in with your Google account, you'll see your Drive dashboard. Now let's upload a file. On the top left, click the New button. Here you'll see 2 options. File upload, to upload a single file, like a photo or document. Folder upload, to upload an entire folder with multiple files. Now if you want to select multiple files, drag your mouse and select them. You can also select multiple files by pressing Ctrl button. Once you select your file, the upload will start automatically. You'll see the progress in the bottom right corner. Now click on My Drive. After the upload finishes, your file will appear in My Drive. To keep things tidy, you can create folders, click on +New, and then New Folder. You can give it a name. Now you can move your files inside by dragging and dropping. And new files will move inside the folder. This is especially useful if you handle multiple projects or share files with different people. Now let's talk about sharing. Right-click on any file or folder you want to share, then click Share. Now here you can add people whom with you want to share files. Before sharing, click here and choose anyone with the link. Just click Copy Link, and you can choose the access level. If you want to give them full access, then choose Editor. Now share the link wherever you want: WhatsApp, email, or social media. Now Google Drive gives you 15 GB of free space. If it goes full, then you can also delete old files you don't need. And that's it. Now you know how to upload, organize, and share files on Google Drive like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.